Good morning to all of you. My name is Sobha Rao from Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Faculty of Nursing, Rama University, Kanpur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic postpartum hemorrhage, PPH. What is PPH? Postpartum hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage, first of all we know definition. Any amount of bleeding from or into the genital tract following birth of the baby up to the end of the puerperium, which adversely affect the general condition of the patient, evidenced by rise in pulse rate and falling blood pressure, is called postpartum hemorrhage or PPH. If vaginal bleeding is more than 500 ml in normal vaginal delivery is called postpartum hemorrhage, and if cesarean section 1000 ml blood loss is called postpartum hemorrhage. Depending upon the amount of blood loss, there are three types of postpartum hemorrhage like minor, major and severe. If less than 1 liter blood loss is called minor blood loss, and if more than 1 liter blood loss is major, and more than 2 liter blood loss is called severe postpartum hemorrhage. There are two types of PPH, primary PPH and secondary PPH, and primary PPH is also divided into two types, third stage of hemorrhage and true postpartum hemorrhage. What is primary PPH? If hemorrhage occurs within 24 hours following the birth of the baby is called primary PPH. Primary PPH is also divided into two parts, third stage hemorrhage and true postpartum hemorrhage. Bleeding occurs before expulsion of placenta. If bleeding occurs before expulsion of placenta is called third stage of hemorrhage, and if bleeding occurs after expulsion of placenta is called true postpartum hemorrhage. This is true postpartum hemorrhage is majority postpartum hemorrhage. Secondary PPH, second one is secondary PPH. Hemorrhage, what is secondary PPH? Hemorrhage occurs beyond the 24 hours. We know that अभी we all are see कि first प्राइमरी पीपीएच जो होता है विदिन 24 आवर्स फॉलोइंग बर्थ ऑफ द बेबी इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी पीपीएच, एंड वी नो दैट प्राइमरी पीपीएच इज आल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स, थर्ड स्टेज हेमरेज एंड ट्रू पोस्टपार्टम हेमरेज, एंड सेकेंडरी पीपीएच इज हेमरेज अकर्स बियॉन्ड 24 आवर्स एंड विदिन पुपेरियम मीन्स 6 week. Puerperium means 6 week after following birth of the baby is period is called puerperium period. तो secondary PPH hemorrhage occurs beyond 24 hours and within puerperium period is called delayed or late puerperium hemorrhage. Clear? Types: primary PPH, secondary PPH, and primary PPH also divided into two types, third stage hemorrhage and postpartum late true postpartum hemorrhage, or secondary PPH hemorrhage occurs beyond 24 hours and within puerperium also called delayed or late puerperal hemorrhage. Next, causes of primary PPH, primary postpartum hemorrhage causes. There is 4 T's. Tone means atonicity of the uterus. Next, tissue. Tissue means retained bits of placenta or retained placenta, placental membrane or blood clots are under the tissues. Trauma, genital tract injury, any genital tract injury are occur, we considered trauma. Then next, thrombin, coagulopathy, any coagulopathy or any coagulopathy disease like congenital or acquired disease related to blood coagulation is under the thrombin. Next one is diagnosis. how we can diagnose it is postpartum or not? We can check estimation of blood loss, counting the number of pad, saturated pads, sponges used to absorb blood, and next one we can measure pulse rate and BP measurement. In postpartum hemorrhage, severe blood loss is occur. Then we can check pulse rate. If bleeding is more occur, then our pulse rate increased and blood pressure decrease. Next, per abdomen. Per abdomen traumatic. If we can check per abdomen examination, we can auscultate and inspect and palpate the abdomen, and we can find out traumatic or atonic. If abdomen is traumatic uterus, then uterus contracted and we feel hard, and uterus is atonic, we feel uterus soft and flabby. Next, causes of secondary PPS. We seen causes and diagnosis of primary PPS. Next one is secondary PPS. Causes of secondary PPS: retained bits of cotyledon or membrane. Cotyledon means lobes of placenta or any retained tissue are inside the uterus. Is next, infection and separation of placenta, endometritis and subinvolution. Next cause, secondary hemorrhage from cesarean site. Now then, management of PPH. How to manage postpartum hemorrhage? First, we all are immediate measures. First, we call for extra help for the nurses and OT technician and doctors, anesthetist. Then commence IV line with 2 wide cannula and send blood for cross matching test, coagulation screening, and ask for 2 unit blood to the patient. Rapidly infuse normal saline 2 liter till the blood is available, and to catheterize the bladder of the patient to monitor vitals, blood pressure, pulse, temperature, all the vitals we measures. Next, we find out uterus is contracted or tonic or atonic. If uterus is atonic, then massage the uterus to make it hard. And to add oxytocin 10 to 20 units in 500 ml of normal saline at the rate of 40 drops per minute, or we can give 60 drops per minute, and examine the expelled placenta. If we all have to done and remain uterus atonic, then we exploration of the uterus and blood transfusion continue oxytocin drop. Also we continue oxytocin drop 40 to 60 drops per minute. Next, if also uterus remain atonic and not placenta expelled out, then we administer misoprostol 1000 microgram per rectum. After that, also uterus atonic, then we do? Then we use uterine tamponade, balloon tamponade for tightening uterine packing under general anesthesia or local anesthesia. Next, after that, also uterus atonic, then what we do? Then we have to do surgical method, hysterectomy, sooner rather than later in case with placenta accreta or uterine rupture. Hysterectomy means total removal of uterus. If blood is not stopped, bleeding is not stopped, after doing all this, then we perform hysterectomy, total removal of the uterus. Final management of the PPH is surgical method and hysterectomy. And uterus is hard and contracted, if then traumatic, maybe uterus is traumatic, then we explorate the placenta and hemostatic sutures of the tear site. We can perform sutures on the tear site. This is the all management of the PPH. We are going to summarize the topic. We all know what is postpartum hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage is the any amount of bleeding from the or into the genital tract following birth of the baby is called postpartum hemorrhage. There are mainly two types. We know that two types of PPH, primary PPH and secondary PPH. Primary PPH means bleeding occurs within 24 hours of the following of the baby, and secondary PPH occurs after 24 hours of the delivery of the baby. And primary PPH also divided into two types, third stage of PPH and late PPH. Then after that, causes of the PPH, 3 P's, trauma, atonic tissue and thrombin. Then diagnosis of the PPH, and then we all study management of the PPH. Thank you.